going to make a start on the Honda exhaust. So the exhaust that come with the bike was in a really bad state, shall we say. It wasn't fitted on the bike, just come in a box, and what was there was pretty crap, shall we say. So for example, this section here, yeah, I've cut it up because I'm playing around with it, but example, this section here, there's a crossover pipe that goes to the other side. I don't know what's happened, but someone's basically chewed it up and flattened it down and then just put some exhaust gum on it or something just to seal it up. And then I think the bike has been dropped on this side, or I don't know, it's ran over something, because that part of the exhaust is just flat. So yeah, that's had it. The exhaust headers, they're in pretty good condition, so yeah, I've cut it up. The only issue with this is they come with an internal pipe section. So for example, like that. So basically it just feeds in like that through the whole of the exhaust. So that's just restricting gas flow. So I want to get rid of that. This side was okay because it pretty much fell out because it was rotten. However, the other side I've had to cut it up just to get it out and just craft a new bit. So I'm going to do the same with this one as well, because it's also got this flange section in it as well. I don't know if you can see that. So again, that's just stopping exhaust flow. So yeah, I'm basically just going to use what sections I can, so mainly the bends, because I can get these bends offline, but obviously they're quite expensive. So if I can use these, I've got some straights, so make up some new exhaust for it. See how we get on. So that's that internal pipe that I was on about. So you can see with this one, yeah, it pretty much had it anyway. But that's what I don't want inside of this. So that's scrap, I'm going to keep that. So that's the exhaust fitted on the bike, and I'm really chuffed with that. It sounds great. For like a little 250 engine, I was really worried about how it was going to sound, whether it's just going to be like I don't know, maybe a bit weedy. But it sounds really good. It sounds quite meaty. So I do need to I need to do a bit more work on it, but I've got kind of the basis of it there. I've got the system created, but I do need to add some bracketry on it, on the rear of the exhaust, because it's obviously quite heavy, and it's only fixed in at the front on the engine studs, so that's going to be stressed. So yeah, I need to stick a bracket on it as well. The tips of the exhaust, I've not thought of an idea or a design that I'm going to go for yet. Maybe a slash cut or a curve, I'm not sure, but with that as well, I'm going to have some sort of internal muffler that I can just slide in and remove, because it is quite loud, and I think MOT is going to kick it out of the garage. So yeah, that's all still to come, but for the time being, that's the exhaust on the bike. Okay, so I'd like to thank the new subscribers. Thank you guys for coming along, much appreciated. If you're enjoying the build series, please drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.